Have you ever thought like that? I know I did. But here's what I learned. Sleep, it's a luxury. It's a medicine, especially after divorce. Hi, I'm Benjamin, founder of Men After Marriage, and we help men rebuild after divorce, thrive after loss, and become resilient in life. We do this by moving our bodies and exercising our mind. After divorce, you're not just tired, you're drained, mentally, physically, and emotionally. And what do most of us do? Well, we push through, we run on caffeine, and we crash with alcohol. Then we wonder why we feel worse. Here's the truth. Sleep, it's our body's natural healing system, and we have to protect it.